Martin, the Fianna Fáil leader, has been consistently challenging you to a live one-on-one TV debate in recent months. Are you going to take up his challenge?
No, I don't think Michea Martin is the leader of the opposition at all. I wouldn't say to him that at this stage that we would give him coverage by having one-to-one debates. I'll tell you this though: when the election is called, and it will be called in 12 months' time, we'll have plenty of opportunity for debates with all of the opposition leaders, or those who purport to be leaders.
Will you debate him one-on-one though, in a general election situation?
What is the opposition at the moment? It's a disparate group of the Fianna Fáil party, the Sinn Féin party, the Socialist group, the hard left, independents.
But he's the leader of the main opposition party. They have the most in terms of Dáil numbers.
Well, we'll decide on the nature of the Dáil debates when the election is called, or the leaders' debates. In fact, on the last occasion, I think we had 3 leaders' debates, and one of those was at my own request that it would be in Irish, because all of the leaders were able to speak Irish, which was a first, I think, in Irish politics. So, I said to Michea, you have plenty of opportunity to give your opinions every day, but as for leaders' debates, we'll have no problem dealing with leaders' debates in whatever context they're going to be held when the election is called.
Would that include one-on-one circumstances with, say, Michea or Gerry Adams?
Well, that's a matter for decision. I don't have a problem in debating the issues of the day. It's my responsibility to lead the government and to say what government has been doing and to defend that. I see across the water in the British election now, they're having one debate with all the leaders. There are
David Cameron's been very heavily criticised for that, though.
Yeah, but like every time you have an election, you have different. All of the opposition groupings and those who lead the opposition groups all want one-on-one debates. So, like between this and then, I'm sure there'll be different propositions put forward. But obviously, I will be very happy to defend the government's record and put that to the people on the basis of where I want the country to be, where I believe that we can be, and that we shouldn't let that slip back into what happened before.
Okay.